That is a big sneeze. Here is a quick 1-minute Zach King style trick that you can learn to do as well. The big sneeze blows background away trick. Filmed on a tripod, you are going to film 2 actions. The first action, film your background and nothing else. Then, for the second action, put up a green screen in that same spot and perform your big sneeze scene. Then, open up your preferred editing software and key out your green screen and add in the first background. Once you get to the moment of the big sneeze, add in a checkered background so you are left standing without the original scene. Then, you can warp the final clip to the original background to make it appear as if it was a tissue being blown away. To make it look more real, add in a shadow on the floor and anywhere there might be a reflection. And that's it. Enjoy.